welcome to Tiki Designs. So I'm just going to be showing you all how to make a gorgeous slinky dress. I'm going to be using this pattern that I got from Siri Studio on Etsy. So I want to try and make something cute. I'm going to show you all how I do it. To start off with, I'm literally just laying all my patterns out on the floor, and then I'm going to tape them with masking tape where they join. If you cut this side on the line, then you can see where it's lining up. I'm literally just cutting along that first line, which there's 35 pages if you print this out on A4. Pre-warning. So this is what the back of it's gonna look like. To save tape where you can see where the pattern joins, only put it there because we're just going to be cutting all of the blank space out anyway. That literally took me so long to do. I think it's been like 2 hours of me just cutting out and taping. But once you've done it once, you don't have to do it again, I suppose. So now I'm just going to go around and cut each of the pieces out. It's a lot of effort, but it's worth it, I promise. I'm saying that, I've never made this before, so I hope it is worth it. So I've finally got all the patterns cut out, and now let's cut it out of real fabric. Yeah! I'm so happy that's done. Just chopped off the bottom because I'm gonna make the mini. And I'm a bit confused at whether I need to cut this bit or not. I don't know what I'm doing. Little pattern weights. This is really important. Do not cut out with scissors that you've used on paper. Like, it's just the worst thing that you could do. Once you cut with paper with the scissors, it literally blunts it and it'll chew up your fabric. Just take your time, like, because if you rush this part and you cut a bit out wrong, you can't put it back. I look like a little hermit sat on the floor when I'm cutting out. And you can move your weights as you're cutting if you feel like your fabric's slipping a bit and you need a bit more weight, like that. I'll be back when I've done the back. I'm just going to cut out the same exact way that I did with that one, fold the fabric in half and then trace around it. Now I've got my front panel, and where this makes a point here, we're going to fold it in half on the wrong side of the fabric to create our dart. And you just want to bring it at a diagonal point like that. And you're just going to sew to the point here where this curve is. And back tack in the end. Now we've got our dart sewn. This is what we're going to do the whole way around. I'm just going to come back when I've done all the pieces, so I'm just going to continue to overlock every raw edge that there is. So now I've got both of the pieces overlocked, and then we're going to sew the side seams together. So you want the wrong side facing you, and then you're just going to line up the edges like this. I've just pinned my seams together. So now let's sew. I'm going to make sure your fabric's lying flat and the dart underneath is open. Now in an ideal world I would have pressed this open first, but I can't be bothered. Now that I've hemmed the bottom, I'm going to hem this part of the dress, the scooped back. So we're literally just doing the same to the scoop back now, hemming it. So that's how it should look after we've hemmed it, and then your inside has got the overlocking. It actually looks really cute. Each armhole, I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did to the back. Got it all sewn together now. I literally just need to add straps. Gorgeous, if I do say so myself. Little slinky cute mini dress. Oh, this is going to be so cute if it fits me. Pray for me. So I've just got this piece of fabric and I'm going to cut my straps from this. I'm going to cut 2 strips about that wide. We've got our 2 straps. I've just got my strap folded in half with the right sides facing each other, leaving like a 1/4 seam allowance. Like that. Cut along the edge with normal scissors. You can overlock the edge or you can cut the edge with pinking shears. So you can see there it's got a zigzag edge instead of a straight one. It's just so that there's no bulk inside of the strap. I've got both straps that look like this. It's a tool that you can get on Amazon or eBay, literally wherever. It's got a hook there that you hook the top bit into the end of the strap. So you're gonna thread your fabric on and then open the little latch and make sure it hooks through the fabric. So once you've fiddled with the end of it, you literally just pull your strap slowly and it's gonna turn it inside out for you. And now we've got our gorgeous strap. We've got both the straps. I'm just gonna sew them to my dress. Yay! The strap should be attached like that. So cute. I just do not like it at all. Rooshy dooshy. There. Ooh. So I've just added that to the front and I feel like that's so much nicer. But the only problem is this excess fabric here. So I don't know whether to add darts there or undo this back bit and take the straps up. I could tack the edge like that as well. I don't know. So this is the finished look. I actually really like it. I think once I've got tan on and some cute heels, it'll be cute.